we previously talked about accredited investors and qualified clients. Now let's take a look at a hypothetical example of what those fees that are generated for management fee and performance fee for accredited investor and qualified client. Let's tackle the accredited investor first. So let's say the assets under management with an accredited investor is $500,000. Okay, the management fee, like we mentioned, the industry standard is 2%. And so you generate a fee of $10,000. Let's say that year you had a performance of 50%. And so you earned $250,000. So even though you earned a performance of $250,000, you would not make any performance fee because with an accredited investor, you can only charge them a management fee. So the total fee that you earned is $10,000. Let's say you had a qualified client, and let's say we'll keep the same assets under management, and we charge them 2% management fee, and again you earn $10,000. Let's say you have the same performance, and so that's $250,000, and the performance fee that we charge, remember we said the industry standard is 20% performance fee. So the performance fee is, in terms of dollars, is $50,000. So your total fee, $60,000. So that is a $10,000 in fee that is earned for the management fee, and then also the management fee, and then the performance fee, and that equals $60,000. So one thing to keep in mind is the difference between accredited investors and qualified clients. Is that with the qualified client, you are able to charge them performance fees. Now, some people, what they do is that they sometimes do 0% here for management fee for qualified clients, and maybe for performance fee they might do 25%. So they don't charge them any type of management fee at all, but it is just based on performance fee. So again, these are things to consider as you're building an incubator hedge fund. Again, these may not apply to you right now since you just have an incubator hedge fund, and again, you cannot have clients and you have to use your own money for the incubator hedge fund.